Hey guys, welcome back. This is Chand from studyeasy.org and let's continue from where we have left. In our previous lecture, we have added this class which has the app configuration. We have also marked it as a configuration class by adding this annotation configuration. So everything is in place. There are a couple of more things which we're gonna do in this particular video. Alright, so let us quickly check the app controller. Currently we are making use of the XML file, but we will update this in couple of minutes. In here, the point I am trying to make is that in here we are making use of this bean. The name of the bean is DAO bean. So I will copy this name, navigate to appconfig.java, and we will mark this particular method as bean, which is definitely a requirement, and we will also name this bean. And the way is pretty simple. We will definitely make use of this name attribute and we will give the name as DAO bean. So everything related to configuration is done. We have the bean which is of our interest, using which we can make use of app DAO implementation class, where we have all the implementation related to database connectivity and communication stuff, so which is there with us. All right, so let us navigate to appcontroller.java file now. So we have this particular bean. Now finally let us get rid of this class path XML application context, and in here we will make use of annotation config. Let us take help of autocomplete. Alright, so there was a typo, but Eclipse has taken a good care of it. Annotation config application context, and let us also copy this name. We would require object of annotation config application context, and in here we would be giving the name of the class. The name of the class is app config, and then we need to pass in the class. I suppose that's it, and we should be able to get rid of XML based configuration and completely shift to annotation based configuration by updating all of these stuff. It should get it started. Let us quickly execute this particular program, and I suppose that it will be giving us a proper result. So fingers crossed. Let us check the output real quick. Here we go. Whoopee. So finally we have shifted our XML configuration based application to all new only annotation based application with help of this particular configuration class, which is fantastic. And now it is a annotation based application. Alright, so this is cool, and in our forthcoming lectures we will try to implement some additional features in this application in order to gain some more confidence of how this annotation based configuration works with reference to model configuration. Alright, so something interesting is coming up, and I hope that we will catch you in next video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and take care.